Hey, what's up guys, I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus camera hardware has leaked on Twitter, and while the regular Note 20 looks like it could repeat the S20 Plus, images stack the Note 20 Plus looks to gain to S20 Ultra 108 megapixel main lens with a new laser autofocus system in town. New regulatory filings confirm the Galaxy Note 20 will have a 5G connectivity and support 25-watt charging. A Galaxy Note 20 Plus renders show what the camera bump could like on the new phone, and it is pretty big. Other rumors suggest that the Note 20 will be much bigger than other rumors have claimed. According to McFly, the Twitter leaker, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could launch as soon as July. Alongside the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, this line up with the Samsung typical release schedule for its Note devices, launched by August of every year. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Note 20 design. According to IC News, the Twitter leaker, he says that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 might outget the impressive 100x space zoom camera found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, meaning it could lag behind Samsung's latest flagship in terms of photography. The IC News also tweets that the Samsung next flagship phone won't be borrowing from the S20 Ultra rear camera array. While the tips wording is a little ambiguous, the simplest explanation is that Samsung will use a different camera in the place of a space zoom sensor. A leak showing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 potential design has been flagged by a serial tech tipster IC News, with the design render showing how the next Galaxy flagship phone could sport a boxy rear camera pump. These images appear to be the rough cut renders for the phone case maker to get an idea of the upcoming phone's design, so they can have cases ready for it when it launches. A Galaxy Note 20 Plus render from OnLeak shows just how big that camera bump could be. One of the latest and most interesting rumors surrounding design suggests Samsung will fit a sub-display front-facing camera behind the Note 20 screen that will disappear when not in use. Xiaomi and Oppo have produced concept phones with this technology, though no manufacturer has been able to release such a device yet. A leaked screenshot showing a Samsung phone without a selfie cam cutout is only fueling speculation about this feature. If Samsung manages to pull it off, it had be the first, and the achievement would mark a major milestone in terms of industrial design. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Note 20 specification. The Galaxy Note 20 specification sheet are slowly beginning to emerge, though some rumors are more definitive than others. In February, Samsung took the wraps of its new 5G optimized OLED display. This screen is built to reduce power consumption and emit less blue light, which could result in the Galaxy Note 20 with impressive battery life if the Samsung new hardware adopts this screen. According to IC Universe, the Note 20 will feature more fine-tuned version of the 120Hz refresh rate display that debuted on the Galaxy S20 series. We are not exactly sure what that fine-tuning means, but it's worth pointing out that the Galaxy S20 can't use 120Hz at full QHD resolution because it will consume too much power. If Samsung is able to address this for the Note 20 series and allow you to enjoy both maximum smoothness and fidelity, it could be the ultimate phone for big screen gaming and productivity. Another details from Rosian, a supply chain expert who reports on Samsung products. Young suggests that there will be a variable refresh rate for the Note 20, where Samsung new phone will automatically feature the faster 120Hz refresh rate. He also expects that the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus to have a bigger display than their Note 20 counterpart. The Note 20 will reportedly have 6.42 inches screen, and the Note 20 Plus screen will grow to 6.87 inches. Now let's talk about the battery and charging. A report from Galaxy Club says that the standard Galaxy Note 20 will get a 4000 mAh battery, which is notable upgrade from the Galaxy Note 10. 3500 mAh battery. It is not clear what the Galaxy Note 20 Plus could get, but it is possible it could borrow the 4500 mAh pack from the Galaxy S20 Plus, or even the bigger 5000 mAh battery from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let me know down in the comments below what's your thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20. Thank you for watching. See you next time.